Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Today I am going to teach you how to find out less than or more than percentage. Okay, so especially this finding out less than or more than percentage, students find it difficult. Okay, so I have focused in these topics. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now I'll start my today's topics. So I will make this matter clear with the help of some questions, because in this percentage we don't have any specific formula. So here is one question. A's income is 25% more than B's. How much percent is B's income less than that of A's income? Okay, so A's income is 25% more than B. So B's income we should suppose X. Look at the solution to this question. Let the income of B's income be rupees X. Okay, I have supposed B's income to be rupees X. So X income is A's income is, so A's income equals to 24% more than B's income. So X plus 25% of X. So this X is the B's income. In B's income, if you add 25% of B's income, then you will get A's income, because A's income is 25% more than B's income. So now X plus 25, in place of percentage we write 100 in denominator, in place of multiplication sign, and X here. Now 25 was the 25 4 is 100, so you will get here X plus x1 is X over 4. Here X over nothing means 1. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 1 can divide 4 times. That 4 times X is 4x plus, here is X. Now 4x plus X, that is 5x over 4. Okay. And now by how much percent B's income is less than that of A's income, it says. So now difference we should find out. So required percent is obtained by, this is also in rupees RS we can write. Required percent equals to, here A's income is more, so A's income minus B's income over A's income times 100%. So here how much percent is B's income is less than that of A's income, less than that of A's income. So in comparison to A's income, B's income is how much percent less, we have to find out. So A's income we should write in denominator. In comparison of which, we have to find out that must be in denominator. Okay, I hope this matter is clear. And here A's income is from here 5x over 4 minus B's income, here x over A's income is 5x over 4, and this equals to, here nothing means 1, LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 1s are 4, 1 times 5 5x minus 1 divides 4 times 4, 1 4 is 4 multiplies x, so there will be 4x over 5x over 4. Okay, the LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 can divide 4 1 times 5x, 5x minus as it is. 1 can divide 4 times, that 4 times x is 4x, and here 5x over 4 same. Now this 4 and 4 can be cancelled, and you will get 5x minus 4x, that will be x over, here is nothing, means it cancelled, means here will be 1 times, here is also nothing, means 1 will go up, and over this 5x. And we also need to write here 100 percentage, okay, and yeah, also 100 percentage, this x cancels, here 100 percentage. Now this 5 can cancel this 10, 5 2s are 10, and 0 here 20%. Okay, so therefore by 20% B's income is less than that of A's income. Like this way you can conclude. And now this can also be checked in examination. You don't get answer key, so if you check, then you will be confirm whether your answer is correct or not. Get the checking part. So by how much percent B's income is less than that of A's income, it says. So here A's income equals to rupees 5x over 4, and now 20% of A's income is 20% of this. So now B's income equals to A's income minus 20% of A's income. 5x over 4 minus 20, in place of percentage 100, of means multiplication sign, 5x over 4. Now 20, 5 is 100. Now 5 can be cancelled, so you will get 5x, here is nothing, means 1, all cancel means 1, and here is x, 1 times x, it is x, 5x minus here is okay, so here 5x over 4 minus 25 is 100, and 5 can be cancelled, 5 1s are 5, here x, here 4, 1 times x, it will be x, LCM of 4 and 4 is 4, 4x over 4 cancels, so x you will get. That means from A's income, if you subtract 20% of A's income, then you got B's income. Okay, that means your answer is correct. This way you can be confirmed that your answer is correct. Okay, so your A's income is 5x over 4. To get B's income, from A's income we have subtracted 20% of A's income, and while doing so, here 5x over 4, 20% is 20, replace the percentage 100 here, of means multiplication sign, 5x over 4, 25 is 100, 5 1s are 5, 1 times x, and this 4 into 4 LCM, 5x minus x over 4, 4 cancel, equals to x. And from A's income, if you subtract 20% of A's income, we have got B's income. That means our solution is correct. In this way, you can solve such type of question, and you can also check it easily, and you will be confirmed whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so if you need to copy it, you can pause the video and copy it. Now I'll move to the next question. Here is the question: is a number is increased by 20%. By what percent the new number is decreased so that the number is restores the original values? Okay, so look at the solution to this question. Let the number, your original value is asking, so that original number be, original value or number be x. Then the number is increased by 20%. Now new number is, now new number equals to this original number plus 20% of this original number. Okay, the original number is x plus 20% of this original number x. So this equals to x plus 20 over, in place of percentage, 100, in place of multiplication sign, x, 21 is 20, 25 is 100. Now like before, x over nothing means is 1 plus x times 1, x over 5. Now LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 can divide 5 times, that 5 times x is 5x plus x. Okay, so this can also be done directly, 5x plus x, 6x over 5 directly also, but thinking that some students have difficulties to understand, I have done in detail 6x over 5. This is the new number. So a number is decreased by 20%. By what percent the new number is decreased so that the number restores the original value? Okay, so now to get required percentage, equals to now here new number minus original number over new number times 100%. Here by what percent the new number is decreased? So new number is to be decreased, so new number should be in denominator. Okay, so new number is 6x over 5 minus original number is x over new number is 6x over 5 times here 100%, and here like before, this detailed process I will not do here. Okay, you have understood, I hope. So 5x, 6x minus 5 times x, 5x equals to x over 5 over here 6x over 5 times 100%, and now 5 can be cancelled, x and x can be cancelled. So in numerator and denominator, if you cancel, there nothing means 1 left, so here is also 1, here is also 1, 1 over 1 times here is also nothing means 1, and this is 6, and here 100%. Now 2 5 is 10, 0 here, 2 3 is 6, and when you divide 50 by 3, then 3 1s are 3, remainder will be 2, 3 6 are 18, remainder will be 2 over 3%. So the new number should be decreased by 16, 2 over 3%. Then you will get the original number. Like before, from this new number, 16 2 over 3% of this number you can subtract, and after that, if you get this number, then your answer is correct. Okay, same like in previous question, this can also be checked, and you can be confirm whether your answer is correct or not. All right. Okay, I hope that you understood this. And if you need to copy this, you can pause the video and copy it. Now I will move to next question. Okay, now our next question is Biplop's age is 10% of Ishwar's age and 20% of Gokul's age. Okay, so here same Biplop's age is 10% of Ishwar's age and 20% of Gokul's age. That means 10% of Ishwar's age is equal to the 20% of Gokul's age, because this 10% of Ishwar's age equal and 20% of Gokul's age is equal to the same person's age. Let now solution this to this question. Let Ishwar's age and Gokul's age be X and Y years respectively. Okay. Let Ishwar's age and Gokul's age be X and Y years respectively. Okay, so X is the Ishwar's age, Y is the Gokul's age. Now, according to question, according to question, 10% of Ishwar's age is equals to 20% of Gokul's age. This implies 10 in place of percentage 100 here of Ishwar's age is X equals to 20 over in place of percentage 100 in place of multiplication sign. Gokul's age is Y. Now this 0 can be cancelled. This 0 can be cancelled. Similarly, this 0 can also be cancelled. And now this implies X equals to 2Y. Okay. And what percent of Ishwar's age is Gokul's age? Okay. So here in comparison to Gokul's age, percent of Ishwar's age we have to find out. So for that, then required percent equals to Ishwar's age over Gokul's age times 100%. So Ishwar's age is how much? Ishwar's age is X. How much percent of Ishwar's age is Gokul's age? So how much percent of Ishwar's age? So in comparison to Ishwar's age, we have to find out. So Ishwar's age, let us write in denominator. And Gokul's age in numerator. Okay. How much percent of Ishwar's age is Gokul's age, it says. So in terms of Ishwar's age, Gokul's age, we have to find out. So Gokul's age is Y. Ishwar's age is X times 100%. Okay. And now Y, from here Y equals to, you will get X over 2. Okay. So in place of y we can write x over 2 over we have x times 100%. And now here x over nothing means 1, x over 2 times this 1 goes up over x times 100%. Now x and x can be cancelled. Now 2 can divide 100 50 times 50%. Okay, so by what percent of Ishwar says is Google says it says. So the answer is therefore 50% of Ishwar's 50% of Ishwar's age is Gokul's age. 50% of Ishwar's age is Gokul's age. Okay, so here this y is Gokul's age, x is Ishwar's age. So what percent of Ishwar's age Gokul's age is it? So here this Ishwar's age divided by 2, we will get Gokul's age. That's divided by 2 means 50%, because whole will be 100% and divided by 2 means it is 50%. So 50% of this Ishwar's age is Gokul's age. Here orally also we can check it, or 50% of Ishwar's age, 50% of x, if you find out, then you will get y. Okay, in this way we can check it easily. And if you need to copy it, you can pause the video and copy it. I hope you find this video helpful to you. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed my video, please subscribe my channel, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. And if you do so, I will also be encouraged to make more videos. Thank you very much.